you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Asian favorite, chicken chow mein. Here are the ingredients: chicken thighs, onion, chow mein noodles, carrots, red bell pepper, bok choy, bean sprouts, and green onions. Let's start with the carrots. We're going to cut these in skinny long strips. Same with the red bell pepper. The bok choy will cut into 3 long strips. Cut the green onions into about 2 inches long. Remove the skin and bones from the thighs and cut the meat into strips as well. We're going to marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, one teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good mix and we'll set this aside for later. Drop your noodles in hot water and add a teaspoon of oil so they don't stick together. Leave it in hot water for about 5 minutes and drain. Now we're ready to cook. We're starting with the chicken. Let it cook till the meat turns golden brown. Then add the onion. Then the carrots. By the way, make sure you're cooking all these in high heat. Next, add the red bell pepper. Then the bok choy. Then add the bean sprouts and the green onions. When the veggies are half cooked, add the noodles. Give it a good mix. Now we can add the sauce we made earlier. You can add more light soy sauce or oyster sauce if you'd like. This serves about 4 to 5 people. You can cut the ingredients in half if you're only feeding just maybe 1 or 2. My serving is always this much because I have a wife and 3 hungry kids to feed. Now this chow mein is ready. Here's what some say is the ultimate Asian quote-unquote American comfort food. Chicken chow mein. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.